P2B is a peacemaker. P2B is a peace lover. P2B is an epitome of peace. He has done it again. You guys know that when this matter between Dele Farotimi and Afe Babalola started, P2B came out. P2B went to Afe Babalola's chamber. After then, he also visited Dele Farotimi. Why? He did that to see if this matter can be settled amicably and out of court. People like Omoyele Sowore started castigating him. So many Nigerians started saying negative things about Mr. P2B. Okay, this is Dele Farotimi's bail condition or bail terms. Where is Omoyele Sowore? P2B has done it again. According to the report reaching us this evening, P2B offers to meet Dele Farotimi's bail conditions. Former presidential candidate of the Labour Party, Mr. P2B has said he would meet the bail conditions of human rights lawyer Dele Farotimi. Niger News reported that Farotimi, in his alleged defamation case against Afe Babalola, was granted bail by Ekiti Magistrate Court on Friday. The bail conditions include 30 million naira bond, 2 surety, one shall be a house owner, submit his passport and shall not grant any media interview. P2B's decision to meet Farotimi's bail condition was communicated by his former spokesperson in his presidential campaign organization in 2023, Tanko Yunusa. Yunusa disclosed this in a brief statement on his X handle on Friday. According to him, the former governor of Anambra State wanted the allegation against the former member of his campaign organization to be resolved in the best interest of all concerned. I consulted His Excellency, Mr. P2B, as the leader of the obedient movement, as a respecter of rule of law, due process and order. He offered to take Dele Farotimi on the bail conditions. He thanked our courts and all concerned on this matter. His concern is that situation be resolved to the best interest of all concerned as well as our legal system. He extended his sincere appreciation to all concerned. Obi's aide stated. That was Mr. Yunusa Tanko, the interim president of the obedient movement worldwide. You heard him. I was thinking that Omoyele Sowore will be in court today with his so-called revolution now to come and bail out Dele Farotimi. You know, he was the one, he was among the people castigating Mr. P2B the other day, but today he was missing in the court. Okay, for those that will say that Mr. P2B was doing camouflage, I want to take us back to what happened before the 2023 presidential election between the obedient movement and Femi Kuti. I hope you guys remembered the way, according to Femi Kuti, he said he was attacked by the obedient movement. Before he could say jack, what happened? P2B showed. P2B went to his house to make sure that he settled the matter. You guys saw what happened. P2B was there with area father. They went and settled the matter amicable. Because the person of Mr. P2B, in case you guys don't know, P2B is a peace lover. He is a peacemaker. He is an epitome of peace. Also recall what happened between the obedient family or the obedient movement and Wale Soyinka, Professor Wale Soyinka. You guys remembered. According to him, he was like saying that the obedient family or the obedient members attacked him, that they are very insultive. Before he could say jack, P2B showed in Professor Wale Soyinka's house and the matter was settled. Remember, this is an epitome of peace, a peacemaker. He likes peace. For those that are saying that Mr. P2B went to Afe Babalola's office to beg him to allow Dele Farotimi to go, that is not the person of Mr. P2B. Let me push you back to what happened between the P-Square brothers, Peter and Paul. Recall that when they were having issue, Mr. Peter Obi visited them one after the other. This is how a judge is supposed to behave. Before you judge any matter, come in between the matter, hear from the both parties, and make your conclusion. Finally, let me take you guys to what happened after the 2023 presidential election. As soon as the result of that presidential election or poll were announced, many people were of the opinion that the obedient movement and the obedient family should go into the streets, should hit the streets and start to protest. So many were like telling Mr. Peter Obi, you are behaving like a woman. Look at the way you are doing. Are you not supposed to call for protests? Are you not supposed to call for demonstration? So many people attacked, castigate, said all manners of things about Mr. Peter Obi, that he is a woman. That look at, that they stole his mandate and he never wanted to go and fight for it. Remember the person of Mr. Peter Obi. Mr. Peter Obi is not the person of yeah. No. Mr. Peter Obi is somebody that likes peace. He is a peacemaker. He is an epitome of peace. For those that were attacking Mr. Peter Obi for visiting Afe Babalola and Dele Farotimi, again, Peter Obi has won. I never saw you guys in the court today. You guys were missing in action. You were attacking Mr. Peter Obi for trying to settle this matter out of court. But today, you were nowhere to be found. Peter Obi have to offer to take the bail condition of Dele Farotimi irrespective of the outcome. Can you do that? Can you bring out 30 million? Can you submit your international passport? Can you submit your housing property? Can you stand for somebody that is giving such condition in the court? Peter Obi has done it. Where are you guys? You can now come out from your hiding places. Peter Obi, the man, the peacemaker, the peace lover, the epitome of peace, have done it. Guys, this is where I will stop for today. What do you think? Tell me what you think about Mr. Peter Obi and his actions today.